Oh, Leah.
No.
Yaman.
Hindi magkapantay. Ki mataas ang konti iyo.
Ay, pili. Ay, tingin mo naman pili.
Dali kasi.
Dito tayo, minalaw ko na kayo ni Lorin.
Lorin, wag!
Kapanayin.
Lalakay mo dito, no? Good afternoon to each and everyone.
Good morning.
I'm going to present about the story of the lion and the mouse.
Oh, nice. May
Yara.
bayad yan, may bayad.
Have you heard about the story of the mouse and the lion? No. Yes. This is the story of how he tells me once upon a time, in a far, far forest, there is a lion who is asleep on his nest. And there's a mouse who is running up and down upon him. And this mouse awakens the lion. It puts its huge mouth and opens its large and sharp jaws to swallow the mouse. Pardon, O king, cried the little mouse. Forgive me this time. I shall never forget it. Who knows but what I may be able to do a turn for the new for some days. The lion was confused about the mouse. But maybe the lion is thinking, this is just a little mouse.
Ito lang.
What can a little mouse help me? I'm large and huge, and I help myself. Then, the lion lifted his huge paw and let the mouse go. And one day, the lion take a walk in the forest, where there is a trap waiting for him. This is done by a hunter like me. I am going to give the lion to the king alive. The king is Lester Rufino.
-5.
For me, I have to search for a wagon to carry the lion. Who knows? I just put the lion up in the tree with its trap. And then the mouse was able to pass by near the tree where the lion
Meron ba gumagalong puno?
and the mouse saw the lion. Oh lion, what happened to you? I will help you. And the mouse used its sharp teeth to cut the rope where the lion is. And then, when it was free, the mouse said, "Was I not right?" And the lion think about it. The moral lesson, if little friends make
Monica, pero nung mouse.
Uy, tama na. Patay mo na. Uy, stop mo na post.